Certain features are unavailable or have restricted use with active sheet metal parts. For example, use the extrude feature to remove material and the tab feature to add material in the folded view. In the flat view, use extrude to add or remove material. Add fillets and chamfers in the folded view. In sheet metal design, a common practice is to model a quarter or half of a part and mirror the rest. Patterning and mirroring a sheet metal part in Onshape is no different than a non-sheet metal part. Start a new pattern feature. Select the part to pattern and the material thickness as the pattern axis. Set the remaining parameters and accept the feature. In this example, edit the slot sketch and add a sketch pattern. End spacing is not important but must remain centered on the face. To center, delete the horizontal locating dimension. Add a line on the right side similar to the left side of the sketch and set both equal to each other. The slots are now centered on the face, regardless of width. To center the sketch across the face, delete the spacing dimension and set the construction line equal to either of the two horizontal lines from the last step. For this part, mirror the flange and tabs onto the opposite side. Start a new mirror feature, select Face Mirror, then select the flange and tabs. Choose the right plane as the mirror plane and accept the feature. The bends automatically mirror with the tab and flange. Face or part patterns are typically preferred when working with sheet metal over feature patterns, as they perform faster.